How to make nature's paintbrushes.
Give as many species as you can.
Start with a scavenger hunt to collect sticks, grass, leaves, flowers, and any other plant material that can be used to make a paintbrush. Make some natural paint by mixing mud with water or crushing flowers or berries to create colored dyes. Tie the plant material securely to the end of the stick using string, vines, or flexible grass. You can make several brushes with different materials to create varied textures. Use homemade paintbrushes to paint on paper.
I'm trying to draw a tree.
Experiment with different textures and patterns.